distinguished guests, Professor S. Satyanarayana, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Usmania University, Chief Guest, Mr. Satya Topalli, Vice President, Tech Mahindra, Guest of Honor, Professor V.S. Kumar, Principal, College of Engineering, Usmania University, Mr. R. Pradeep Reddy, Director, Mr. T. Rakesh Reddy, Member of the Management Committee, Professor Venkateshwarlu, Principal, Methodist College of Engineering, Professor Lakshmipatra Garu, Director, Methodist College of Engineering, Dr. Prabhu, Principal, Indian Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vice Principal of Methodist Engineering College, Professor P. L. Srinivas Rao, Professor A. Kanakadurga, Convener, TechFest, all heads of the departments, members of the faculty, teachers and students from different colleges, the non-teaching staff of the college, members of Stanley, Methodist fraternity, invitees, friends from the print and electronic media, parents and my dear students. Good evening to you all. On behalf of the Stanley and Methodist fraternity, it is my pleasure and privilege to invite you all to the today's evening function, which is a part of the today annual celebrations of the college. The ongoing Stanley Tech Fest is a part of it. I congratulate the entire Stanley fraternity for their assiduous work in organizing the fest so diligently. In this regard, I compliment the students not only from the Stanley but also from other colleges who have presented their exhibits and talents here. I can see the hard work that each one of you has displayed in making this event such a magnificent one. Friends, StanFest 2014 is an annual festival of the college. It is our conviction that the students should be given a platform, an opportunity to showcase their innate talents. Technical education would be the meaningful only when we enable students to manifest and express their creative talents. Festivals like this give ample fillip to students' explorational and innovative abilities. Further, fests are meant to encapsulate education with fun. In addition, they help students to exchange ideas and inspire one another. I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Satyanarayana Garu to extend the university support for such activities, as this would go a long way in encouraging the students to unravel the potential and eventually make them producers of knowledge. Professor Satyanarayana Garu himself is a great researcher, and under his able leadership, Usmania University has become numero uno university with the potential for excellence. I request you, sir, to think about making it mandatory for all engineering colleges to organize lectures, as this fest would develop necessary technological and scientific temper amongst the students, in addition to forge collaboration in heralding a new wave of innovation which will ameliorate the nation. I place on record my deep sense of gratitude to Satya Topalli, Vice President, Tech Mahindra, for accepting our invitation to be here today. Satya Topalli has always been supportive to all our proposals and has always been encouraging. Tech Mahindra has organized a campus placement drive here in Stanley also, and sir, we look forward to more such drives as we have plethora of talent. I personally believe that there must be continuous interface between industry and academics for their complementary objectives. The management of Stanley is determined to build need-based infrastructure to enable such interface. Sir, we seek your advice and guidance in this regard. I personally thank Professor V.S. Kumar for accepting our invitation to be here and for sparing his valuable time. Friends, all of you must have noticed in the newspapers that two global Indians are competing for the top CEO position with Microsoft. One of them is from AP and the other from Tamil Nadu. It is a matter of great pride for all of us that our boys are reaching such coveted positions. Girls, people like Satya Nadella should be our role models, not Ranbir Kapoor. These two eminent personalities demonstrate that the possibilities are abundant when you make your studies a passion to excel. The world out there displays full of opportunities. You must have the necessary drive to make use of them. For that, I urge the students to develop passion for innovation, nurture and sustain creativity in every academic arena. I guess parents are here in large number. I call upon all the parents to encourage your children to think creatively. The world of tomorrow will be full of blessings for those who combine academics with innate passion for excellence. On behalf of the management, I promise all the support to shape and sharpen your creative abilities for the potential use to enrich our country. I express my deep sense of gratitude to all the teaching staff of the college for their support in all the endeavors. I am aware of the difficulties that they have been facing, despite the fact that the colleges have certain constraints due to intractable delay of the fee reimbursement scheme. The teaching and non-teaching staff always stood by the college and rendered their best. I extend my sincere thanks to all of them. Thank you.
Thank you for your valuable speech, sir. You are very supportive. Now I request Professor B.S.S. Kumar, Principal, University College of Engineering, Osmania University, to share his valuable views.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Sakrarayan Garu, Principal, Mr. Satya, Vice President Tech Mahindra, Director Pradeep Reddy, Member Rakesh Reddy, other members of the Stanley Management and my old colleagues from the Osmania University, my dear young student friends. Really, it is a pleasure for me to spend some time in the evening in the Stanley College for the Student Technical Festival. Normally, when the students are doing their undergraduate program, in addition to their regular studies, regular core subjects and elective subjects, they have to go for the new areas in their own branch of specialization. When they are going to the new areas, they are in a position to participate in various seminars, workshops, conferences of the various colleges. Like this particular technical festival, other college members and your college people will participate and you can share your knowledge to other people. In turn, you get the benefit of getting a good placement in different companies. Just now your principal mentioned some of your students got very good placement, getting more than 7 lakhs per annum in one of the prestigious companies. This shows the company management and dedication, even this organization management and dedication for developing this particular institute. Even though they started somewhere in 2008, by the end of the 2014, hardly it's about 6 years old, they are in a position to get on par with other government institutes, getting more than 7 lakhs per annum, and inviting the people like Tech Mahindra and other organizations to the campus and organizing very big programs in this particular Stanley College and Methodist College. For this, I really congratulate the management members, Mr. Krishna Rao, Mr. Pradeep Reddy and Rakesh Reddy for bringing this college to this level. All the time, students should be very sharp and intelligent. Along with their hard working, intelligence plays a role. If you do not have the sharpness and intelligence, you cannot come up while facing the issues in different places. I thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to spend some time in this particular college to participate in this technical festival. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir, for your valuable speech. Now I invite Mr. Satya Topalli to address the gathering.
Good evening, everybody. on the dais and of the dais, and dear students, it's a pleasure for me to be part of your technical festival and annual day celebrations. Just few days back, even in Tech Mahindra, we had a huge gathering on our annual day that is called Ekotvam, which was held last weekend, and we had seen the kind of whatever the performances couple of minutes back you people have showcased. It's all the talent in you, which is the right platform to showcase and demonstrate your skills. And this technical festival is one of the platform where you have an opportunity to showcase your talent technically, and also get to connect with so many other students from other colleges and know the differences between what you have attained in your campus and it's called a knowledge sharing session. And one of these are the things which one should have acquired, and also some of the things like I would say the learnability is one of the things you have. It is a continuous process, it never ends once you come out of this campus. And also do my one of the feedback and suggestions to all the present final year students to have the practical exposure. You might have a sound knowledge of the theoretical subjects, but at the same time, the companies, what they look at is your basics in your subjects and your practical approach, how to solve a particular problem. We are not here to look at your programming skills or whatever the skills that are required, but at least the logical ability and the kind of attitude you will be having. So that is what we are looking at the basic level. So I think this I thought I wanted to take this opportunity to inform you about these activities, and we would have actually completed the campus drive for this college last week itself, but due to certain reasons we have to postpone it, and hope I'll come to the same place again in next few days or in a week or 2 weeks time. So I wish the management to continuously strive hard for this growing of this college, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
For enlightening our students by sharing your valuable experiences. I hope this message will help our student community. Now, I welcome Vice Chancellor, Osmania University, Professor S. Satyanarayana, to give his valuable message to the students.
Sri Krishna Rao, correspondent, Sri Pradeep Reddy, Sri Satya Topalli, Vice President, Tech Mahindra, Professor V.S.S. Kumar, Principal, University College of Engineering, Usmania University, Dr. Anuradha, Principal of this college, Professor Lakshmi Petra Garu, Professor Venkateshwar Garu, and students, parents, and other dignitaries, press and media. I am very happy to be associated with this college on the event of the Tech Festival. This college is a 6 years old college, but is doing on par with some of the oldest colleges in the Usmania University area. So I congratulate the students who have been admitted in this college and bringing laurels to this college as well as to the university. I just now came to know, I think one of the computer science CSC students got university rank and some other branch 6th rank. So that is the commitment of the management and commitment of the teachers of this college. So we are really lucky to enter into this college, which is really place